corn on a hair rig. And what I'm doing, I don't know if you can see this, I put it in there and then take it out. So there it is, but then I'm swapping to a different and then double stacking it, and then I give it a little squeeze, and there you've got double stacked, and I'll put that over the far back. Here we go. The wind is, wow, it's relentless. Then every cast I'm putting some 8mm green halibut pellets in. A bit far. Which gives it the noise. There we go. Perfect. That's over the feeder. And that's going to give it the noise it needs to attract the fish. They're big fish, so they're going to take a lot of bait. They're not shy. Average is 8 to 10 pounds, so another one just took the hook out, look, bloody hell. Okay, fish on. Hopefully I've got my camera in the right direction. It's very windy, so I hope you can hear me over this wind. Fish have been big. Fishing Canal White. Wow. Oh yeah. The problem is I've just dropped onto an 18 barbless. Obviously barbless, but after yesterday I stepped up to a 14 because the fish are so big. Had no bites. Put an 18 on. The second fish in 2 casts. Let's have a look at you. Whoa. Ay, ay, ay. Come on, baby. I think you're nearly there. like fishing the sea, this is, with these waves. Yes, please. That'll do fine, thank you. Ah. There we go. Nice mirror carp. Hooked in the mouth. Double corn. Lovely. Yep, not bad. Oh, it's just slipped the hook. Another mirror, nice mirror.